The Hub today, so Mother's Day. Sometimes mom just wants a drink without booze.
But she still wants it to feel special and extra, so of course the mocktails come in.
Yes, and we have Abbie Romanul, founder of Raising the Bar, the first zero-proof cocktail subscription box. And you're here now to walk us through how you can make the mocktail bar for mom special.
Absolutely. So if you're drinking, but you're not drinking alcohol, you still want it to feel fun, celebratory, and beautiful. So for Mother's Day, we have a couple drinks that we've already made. This is a strawberry basil chili drink with a splash of lemon juice and smoked lemon bitters. And then this is a lavender lemon royale, so kind of a take on a Kir Royale with some sparkling non-alcoholic wine.
And nice then garnish, by the way.
Yes, the garnish always helps the situation. And then we have this Liar's Molten Cola. So this is a ready to drink. So if you're feeling like you want to maybe do something on the easier side, this is one where you can just crack it open, pour it over ice, add a little garnish, and you're good to go. We like to add a little extra lime.
So Abbie, this one here was ready to pour. These two are mixed up with some stuff that you might get in the Raising the Bar box. So that is if you want to feel more like a mixologist. This is if you just want to grab something out of the cooler, out of the fridge.
That's exactly right. And the kits we have here include all the ingredients to make 2 different cocktails plus a ready to drink. So it really lets you experiment with the mixology piece.
Everything to do, so you don't have to worry about it.
Take the guesswork out, which is what we're always trying to reduce the mental load. So this makes it really easy.
This might be what mom's going to this weekend because then there's no work involved.
Exactly.
And this is really fun too, making it look beautiful, edible florals, the garnishes, and the fun glassware. I think we need to mention that all of this is
glassware.
Really
we also, in the Moscow Mules, we like to do a little copper mug, or even in the summer, a mason jar is a nice way to do something a little elevated.
As Maria said, women were really loving our drinking vessels.
Yeah, we love our drinking vessels, and don't take them away from us.
Yes.
So for this, we were thinking for a kind of Mother's Day mocktail bar, do something really simple. So just a mimosa bar. And you can lay out all of your garnishes. So we've got strawberries, citrus wheels, mint, blueberries, and then some dried lavender and rosebuds.
And all the colors again.
All the colors.
Beautiful.
It's so pretty. Even kids would enjoy doing this with club soda. And then this again is the Liar's Classico. So this is a non-alcoholic champagne style drink. So you can absolutely make your own in whatever colors you like.
That's gorgeous.
Okay. And this is fun. Is this glitter?
That is a little edible glitter because sometimes you need just a little extra
shine. Put it in there. I love it. Oh, you put it in the drink?
You put it right in the drink. Yes, pop it right open. And then while you're doing that, I'll get you maybe lavender sprig.
I know this isn't the way that you're supposed to do it. There is a top on it.
You want me to pour some one? Yes.
Too much. Look at that.
I'm good at pouring.
There we go. Stir it up. You got your glitter going. Look how pretty.
Look how pretty. And then you have the tahini. You got to include the tahini.
Yeah, so we did the tahini on this chili one. Rims are a great way to add a little interest, whether it's a salt or a sugared rim. You could do some dried flowers crushed up with your salt to bring a little extra visual interest. But the name of the game is have fun. You can really get creative, explore things you already have maybe in your kitchen or pantry.
And this is great because if there are people who are at your Mother's Day event who are not drinking, whether they are just choosing not to, they're pregnant, they don't have a hangover in parenting.
The options,
this is
exactly.
And it's not going to look like they're just drinking their bottle of water.
And you can have your bottle of regular, traditional, sparkling bubbly alongside the zero proof as well.
I love it. Well, I love my glitter too. Well, Abbie, thank you so much.
We are at weareRaisingtheBar.com and We Are Raising the Bar on Instagram.
We're going to bring in all of the moms.
I'm just going to hand out drinks to everyone.
Drinks. Everyone wants a drink.
Get in here. Get in here.
Do you want this one? Thank you guys so much for being here. Happy Mother's Day.
Yours. We want to give a special shout out to all the amazing mothers who support our amazing team here at NBC 10 Boston, the Boston Media Center. We call it a mom-tage. Happy Mother's Day.